Introduction. Host, Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the timeless and majestic book of Islam, the Quran. The Quran is considered the final and most sacred revelation from Allah, God, to humanity. Its profound wisdom, eloquent language, and comprehensive guidance have captivated the hearts and minds of millions around the world. Join us as we dive deep into the Quran and discover its significance in our lives. Segment 1: The Origin and Compilation of the Quran. Host, to understand the Quran better, let's begin by learning about its origin and compilation. The Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, over a period of 23 years, starting in the year 610 CE. The revelations were received through the angel Gabriel and then recited by the Prophet to his companions and followers. Host, after the Prophet's demise, the Quran was compiled into a single book during the Caliphate of Abu Bakr, the first caliph. This compilation was completed under the supervision of Zayd ibn Thabit, who had been appointed by the Prophet himself. The Quran was written on various materials, such as parchment, bones, and palm leaves. Segment 2: The Structure and Language of the Quran. Host, the Quran consists of 114 chapters, known as surahs, which vary in length. The longest surah is Surah al-Baqarah, with 286 verses, while the shortest surah, Surah al-Kawthar, contains only 3 verses. Each surah addresses different aspects of life, faith, and morality. Host, the Quran is written in classical Arabic, renowned for its beauty and eloquence. The precise choice of words, rhythmic patterns, and literary devices used in the Quran contribute to its unique style. It is essential to note that translations convey the meaning of the Quran but may not capture the full richness of the original text. Segment 3: Themes and Teachings of the Quran. Host, the Quran covers a wide range of topics and provides guidance on all aspects of life. It addresses matters of faith, worship, morality, family, social justice, and much more. One of the central themes of the Quran is the concept of monotheism or tawhid, emphasizing the oneness of Allah and the worship of Him alone. Host, the Quran also emphasizes the importance of righteous conduct, justice, compassion, and mercy towards all of creation. It encourages believers to seek knowledge, pursue justice, and establish peace and harmony in society. Additionally, the